In this video, I'm going to be explaining leverage on Etoro. Now, this video is going to cover everything you need to know about trading with leverage, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, I'm on Etoro here, and as you can see, I've got an Nvidia stock up. Now, when I choose to buy this coin, one of these options in the middle is actually leverage, and by default it is set to 1x. But what does this actually mean? When trading with leverage, it basically means that we can borrow money to increase the size of our trades. So this can amplify the potential gains, but it can also magnify the losses. So at the moment, I've got the amount that I'm buying set to $10,000, and since we've got this at 1x, that means that we will be buying $10,000 worth. However, what I could do is set my leverage to 2x, and that means that we can invest more than our actual deposit on this asset. So as you can see, if I set this to 2x leverage, although the amount that we're paying is $10,000, our exposure is $20,000. So if we do this and the stock price goes up, we will make a considerable amount more because we got a bigger position. However, it works the same as if it goes the other way. So if it starts going down, our losses will be magnified. And the higher the leverage you set it to, the more risky it is. So with stocks, since they're fairly volatile, the maximum leverage that we can get on this is 5x. However, you can get higher leverage on some other assets. As you can see here, this is gold, and if we go to leverage trade this, it actually goes all the way up to 20x. And this is because assets like gold are generally less volatile than stocks, so we can bump the leverage up higher, meaning they actually allow us to bump the leverage up higher than normal. So what are some important things to remember when leverage trading? To start with, the margin requirement. When you use leverage on Etoro, you are essentially borrowing money from Etoro, and you will have to maintain a minimum balance in your account called the margin, and this is to cover potential losses. If your account value falls below that margin requirement, Etoro may close your position to minimize their risk. Another issue is the fees that may be associated with using leverage, such as overnight fees for holding leverage positions. If we go down to estimated costs down here, it does actually show us the fees, and we can see that the overnight fees are $42 and the weekend fees are $128. So overall, using Etoro leverage can be risky, but potentially rewarding strategy. But it's crucial that you understand exactly how it works and only use it if you are certain of what you're doing. Hopefully this video has helped you out to give you an idea of what this is all about. However, if you're still not 100% sure what you're doing, please do some more research before investing with leverage, as it can be really risky. So this has been my video explaining Etoro leverage. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.